Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you approach a market with technical way using a weekly and daily buys, okay, in a trending market. So make sure you watch this video till end. It will be really helpful for your trading journey. So let's get started. So as you've seen, price making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, right? So price just break above to this point and make this a valid swing point. Okay, so we have here swing low and swing high, right? So after we mark out, we want to identify where we are in a premium or we are in a discount. If we are in the below 50%, we are in discount. If we are in discount, we only buy, and if we are above 50% that we are in premium, we only sell. Okay, once we identify, then we will shift to the daily time frame. As we are in the premium, so we only looking for a sell. Okay, so what we have here, we have a huge displacement candle which leave behind a order block, right? We have this order block, okay, and then as you can see, technically if you see a price, if any candle on daily or weekly, if it's closed bullish, the next candle is most likely bullish, okay, until it got swept or it closed black candle like that. Okay, so here up candle, right, green candle, the next candle we are supposing it will be open green, but it does not. What it does is took the liquidity sweep, right? So it's become, we, as you know, I also teach the CRT, so for my eyes is trained for this type of patterns if happen. So suddenly I thought the third this day will be surely will go to the wrong side, also took this, and it will maybe approach to this volume imbalance, and it does, right? Okay, so let's shift into 1 hour. Okay, 4 hour also you can go, but for me what happened here, for a market structure shift we don't have any here candle, so that's why I use a small time frame for that purposes only. So we have this huge candle, we have fair value gap, price tap here with this order block and like that, but if you go to the lower time frame you will find more accurate. In 1 hour also you didn't find specifically. Okay, for me this is not a swing points, so I shift into the 15-minute time frame, but everything should be in a time based and look technically. Okay, so this red line is liquidity and order block. Okay, so above we make a market structure shift on during Asian session, right? So if you see here, we have a market structure shift right here. Okay, so what happened then, price come to that premium area in a kill zone hours. This is our New York session, right? So market what did here, we have this fair value gap, market reach and start moving to the downside. So we will open here in a 50% above account, sorry, and 50% approach if you make like this. Okay, price reach above and start. So your target, we will go to 4 hour, 1 hour, and want to see where the possibly price can reach. So first reach we have here the break even, okay, and second we have this order block, and on daily time frame you can see we have a volume imbalance, right? So we have in order block, the 4 hour order block here, the CRT low, this CRT candle low, okay, and for volume imbalance for your third TP or fourth TP you can be maximize for 9 or 10 hour. Okay, so how how you can approach the market with technical way, with narratives, to understand the clear bias, and that's all. Okay, even that time, once you understand the technical purpose of the market, even there was a new news, you will find the most aggressive move on the market, because market run for a liquidity. Now there is a chance that price took out the volume imbalance, here liquidity, it will go to the higher prices. Let me remove the diagrams and I will show you why I'm thinking like that. Why? Because here market took the liquidity. The probability is very low that the price will go downside. That is my concern. We don't know, because here is the structure, the swing point, swing low. Either price take these or either take. If take these out, I am probably bullish. If take these, I am still bearish till the price reach to this demand zone, right? So let's see what happens. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, thumbs up, and if you didn't join any instant funding accounts that are very cheap, cheaper than the evolution account, make sure you make sure you join from my description, a link in the description, and join my Telegram channel. Until next time, be safe. Bye bye.